Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a quick short video on how to make a mask, and it's going to be made out of a sock. So if you're interested, please keep watching.
Okay, so we're going to grab our sock. This is the sock I'm going to be using. I would prefer you guys to grab a long sock because when we cut it, we want one strap to reach this ear up to the other one. We want one length. These are the bloopers. Okay, so we're gonna grab our sock and we're gonna cut from this angle right here. So once you cut it, it'll look like this. So now we're gonna cut this end right here. Just gonna cut this bottom part. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look after you cut the bottom and okay, so now we're gonna cut this side. We gotta make sure we don't cut this side. We gotta keep this top part. So okay, and once you cut it, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so now we're gonna fold the edges in half. And we're gonna do this on both sides. So just like that. Okay, so when we're cutting, we're gonna leave about an inch of space between my finger and the fabric. Also, one more tip, when we're cutting, we have to make sure we're cutting on the folded side and not on the side that opens. And we're gonna cut midway, and we're gonna stop midway right here. We're not gonna cut off. Now we're gonna do the same on this side, midway. So when you're done cutting, this is how it should look. For the last step, we're just gonna cut the corners, just so it doesn't look like a square. Gonna cut the corner a little bit. Once you're done cutting the corners, this is how it should look. Okay, now we're gonna put on our mask.
Okay, so this is my finishing result. This is my mask. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do decide to make some masks, please send me your photos. I would love to hear your feedback, so please comment down below, like this video, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.